In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Surveymonkey to schedule a meeting, a simple and efficient way to find the best time for everyone involved. Let's dive straight into it. First, navigate over to surveymonkey.com. If you already have an account, you can log in with your credentials. If not, signing up is quick and easy, so no worries there. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page and find the Create Survey button. Give that a click and we'll get started on making your very own meeting scheduler. Now, you'll want to select Start from Scratch. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your survey. I suggest something straightforward like Team Meeting Availability, something that tells your participants exactly what the survey is about. Once you've named your survey, hit Save to proceed. With the survey set up, it's time to create the question that will help us find the best meeting time. Choose the multiple choice question type. This format will allow your participants to select from a list of times that you're proposing for the meeting. Consider phrasing your question like this: which of the following times are you available for a meeting? Clarity is key here as it ensures your respondents understand exactly what they're choosing. For the answer choices, list out the times you're considering. For example, you might include options like Monday at 10 a.m, Tuesday at 2 p.m, Wednesday at 1 p.m, Thursday at 11 a.m, and Friday at 3 p.m. Feel free to customize these times based on your own needs and the availability patterns of your group. Once your question and choices are set, navigate over to the Collect Responses tab. This is where you'll decide how to share your survey. There are a couple of different methods you can opt for. First, there's the web link option, which is great if you're sending the survey to a group of people. You just send them the link and they can complete it at their convenience. Alternatively, for a bit more control, you might choose the email invitation option. This allows you to send the survey directly to specific email addresses and track who has and hasn't responded. Finally, it's time to send out your survey. Watch as the responses roll in and then head over to the Analyze Results tab. Here, you'll find an overview of which date and time options received the most votes. This data helps you to easily pick the best meeting time that suits the majority. By following these steps, scheduling a meeting gets transformed into a breeze. SurveyMonkey not only organizes the responses for you, but also makes the whole process as smooth as possible. So, go ahead and give it a try for your next meeting. Trust me, it's a real time saver.